welcome back. It's been a long since we post any vlog or fitness video, but don't worry, fitness videos are loading. But anyways, today I just want to open a vlog, and yes, let me take you along on the islands of Crete, and I want to show you what's going on. I'm actually outside, so pardon the noise and all of that. Okay, so time to go collect some wood. Well, global warming, let's talk about that for a bit. Don't worry, you're going to see all the work with. I'm actually right now on our ATV bike, and you can see the wood carrier there. You see a giant wood summer here, tractors and all of that used for farm work. So yes, this is island lifestyle, okay? If you live on the islands, then you know. Let me adjust my hair. Okay, is my hair looking good? Anyways, talking about the weather this year, I noticed something that I would say I'm noticing for the first time. This is like November. This is 20 something already. What is today's date? 23rd. I'll put it on the screen, okay? And it's actually right now that the weather is changing over here. Yeah. So it's right now that the weather is changing over here, and I think that's really strange. Normally, I remember in October we already had, you know, lots of cold. We had like the fireplace going and stuff like that. But now in November the weather is still fantastic. Although yesterday we had a terrible weather, terrible weather, and rain, strong wind, like wind that could actually push you down, that strong. But today the weather is pretty much okay. Not too much sun or anything, but the weather is pretty much okay. So we're going to get some wood. If you've been following our vlogs, then you know how our winter vlogs goes. So we thought, how to get some wood, and we're just going to kind of swim because I'm outside and trying to keep the sound down. But anyways, I just wanted to open this vlog. It's been, I remember when last I posted a vlog, but we will see when workout videos will be rolling out, or we'll be posting more vlogs and stuff like that. But I just want to carry you along, and I wanted us to talk a little bit. That's a massive chainsaw right there. You see that? Do you see that? So it's a serious work. Do you see? That chainsaw is as tall as my husband. So that's not even a joke, okay? It is going down. Do you see that? It is massive. Anyways, so we're using that massive chainsaw. How do I even put this so you see? Okay. I'm using that massive chainsaw, and there's another one here, and we're going to split the wood. When we get there, I will show you guys, because I've not seen the wood. I had this platinum or something like that. This big tree right here is also, okay, this is eucalyptus, and I don't know, eucalyptus or platinum. We're going to get there. I'm going to let you guys know what we're going to be doing. But that being said, the sun is coming right back up. You see that? Yeah. But anyways, let's get into this vlog. And if you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome to Focus Fitness and Health. Here we talk about health, fitness, vlogs, and so on and so forth. That being said, 3 minutes.
All right. So something I forgot to add on my rant was that now this was a massive wood that this man had in his farm, and he had planted some avocados. And if you know, avocado is a good one. If you have avocados, you're gonna be making a cool cash from it. So he's trying to change his farm a little bit, you know, including avocado. He has a lot of oranges, but he's trying to add avocados also. But now the areas where he planted the avocado is where the giant trees are. So he tried dropping the trees so the avocados will have more space, sunlight to grow properly, and when those dry tree branches break, they will not fall down and break the avocados, which has actually happened before. So what actually happened was he dropped the tree down. His chainsaw was not big enough to actually cut it all, so he decided, okay, let me see. And it was on the road, so you need to clear the road so other farmers can also get to their own plot of lands or get into the river. So he needed someone that has a big chainsaw that can actually cut the wood. So that's how we were involved. So the deal was, you cut the wood, you with the big chainsaw, you come cut the big part of the wood, and you take those parts, and the branches and the little parts that he is going to keep, the owner of the farm is going to keep. So that's what you're going to see us do throughout this video. We're going to cut the big part of the tree and the tree trunk and all of that. We're going to drop all of that down, cut it and take it, and the small branches and all those other parts are the parts where the owner of the farm is going to retain. Most times over here, that's what they do. Everything doesn't have to do with money. Someone can call you to come to their farm, cut down trees, and instead of paying you cash, they would tell you to drop the trees down and collect the woods, which is absolutely very good. And sometimes you're going to farms where you're dropping down very good trees where you can sell some of the woods, and woods are expensive, you know, in winter time to keep warm. So you can sell some part of your woods, and you can also burn some parts to keep yourself warm. So it's a win-win on both sides. That's what happens in the island. So everything is still and things like that. That being said, this is on our way driving through all of those farms. You can see oranges, lemon, avocados, and all of that. We're driving through the farm where we are going to start our job, and we have to do this as quick as possible because those things were right on the road on this track, and we cannot block the track because other farmers need to get their own plot of land, like I stated. So right here we're at the farm. So in total he had 3 giant trees. You see I'm standing next to one of them. He's still thinking of how he's going to drop this, because if you look at my behind me and beside me are very healthy avocado plants with lots of avocados on them. So he was able to drop down 2 of the trees, and he's still contemplating
here right now
how he's going to drop the third
very
one.
beautiful farm.
So that's the work we're
Okay,
going to be
so
doing
this
here.
is
Look
what
at the
we drove
ATV
in.
looking all messy and
We'll
all
have
of
a
that.
chainsaw here, steel, chainsaw here, and here is the massive one. Yes. And here's some small wood. Here's a big one. So you see here, all of this needs to be caught. You see, here's a big wood. Here. All of this. Ooh. And here, the river. Water is flowing very well. Mountains. Beauty. Okay, so right now we are at the place where we'll be collecting the wood. By now, you would have seen, so it's close to the river. This river is flowing from the mountain. The mountain is that way. Oops, these trees are blocking it, but you can see the mountain over there, and the snows are on the top of the mountain. But that's where we are right now, and we're going to start with these woods behind me. We're going to split them and try to leave them and take them. So it's a lot of wood, as you can see. The sun is on that side, so it's not too clear. But yeah, so that's what we're going to get right into. So let's get busy. Let's get busy. They've splitted some of the wood already, as you can see. We're going to proceed. So right now it's time to do some power lifting. It's time to lift those heavy logs of wood into the trailer so we can take it home. So that's what we're doing right about here. And trust me, although the tree is half dead, but the tree trunk, this down part of the wood is absolutely heavy because there's still a little bit of water and freshness in it. So it was absolutely heavy, but well, we have to do what we have to do. We have to battle it out and leave them to put them in the truck. I think I will be inserting photos of the woods throughout the video as it goes, but yeah, let's see.
So that's what we're doing right here. I apologize that I could not really position the camera very well. I didn't have camera stand or anything, so I had to just balance my phone on stuff that I could find there on wood and things like that. So it wasn't absolutely balanced properly that you could see the woods on the floor and the color on of that. But anyways, that being said, I hope this is good enough for you to see what is going on at this point.